Hey all, welcome to ShareTreck. This is Raj here. Friends, I have a rapid fire of small videos because things are happening to the Mag 7 and the AI watch list that we are looking at. Right now, I'm going to talk about Google. Google has been in the headlines recently, but not for the right reasons. And today, we have seen Google drop below a level of support in the bear channel. Let me take you to the price chart, show it to you before I proceed further. Welcome back, friends. This is the price chart for Google. And as you can see, we had a nice ascent out here. This was the bull channel that was created. And I think on around, let's just look at the date here. Somewhere around, I think the 16th of February 2024, we breached this line of support, the bull channel. And then we fell down, and it was not clear for us whether we are going to be back into the bull channel or we are forming a new bear channel. Because in hindsight, if you look at the lower low here and these lower lows, it seems like a bear channel, but the confirmation came when we had a huge drop on the 26th of February 2024. And I'm going to explain why all this has happened. But what is very alarming today is the fact that we have fallen below this the support line of the bear channel, and our momentum is continuing to fall. Is this the beginning of the Mag 5 or Mag 6 going down to Mag 3 or Mag 2? That's what I am worried about. So let me explain why this is happening. Of course, these are all my personal opinion and not financial advice. I think the tech giant is facing market volatility due to combination of factors, including controversy surrounding its new AI product Gemini, and calls for CEO Sundar Pichai to step down. And the main issue is that Google's AI product Gemini has been met with criticism for its performance in text and image generation, which is the latest thing. But in the run-up, as soon as ChatGPT was launched, there was a fiasco while launching Gemini. And this, coupled with co-founder Sergey Brin admitting to rushing its development, has raised concerns about Google's execution, leadership, and company culture. And as a result of these issues, Google's stock is down 3% over the past week and 2% year to date, following a stellar 52% gain last year. So is the luster going off Google? That is a question. And investors are expressing their frustration with Google by dropping down the share price. And we have entered a bear channel, and we are continuing to progress down it. And we have broken down further below the current bear channel. There are uncertainties surrounding the future of AI as a whole. The question is, Google was not proactive in being at the forefront when Microsoft launched ChatGPT. People generally felt that Google was caught flat-footed. Now the question is, how will Google navigate the Gen AI world and close the gap with its competitors? And right now, Google is ruling the search market share, but will Meta and Amazon continue to outpace Google in advertising revenue? And will Google achieve its goal of increasing revenues faster than expenses without resorting to layoffs? They already laid off quite a lot of people, but will they have to do more layoffs? And should Google initiate a dividend like some other tech companies? So these are all the questions. And despite these challenges, I think JP Morgan analyst Doug Anmuth remains optimistic about Google's long-term prospects. He maintains an overweight rating on the stock and believes Google can overcome these hurdles. If his hypothesis is true, then this could be a buying opportunity or a dollar cost averaging opportunity. If not, then somebody might be trying to catch a falling knife. The future is not always clear. We try to game the future out by doing technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and also comparison between peers. So we will do all that for Google in the next few videos. I'll also talk to Sandeep and see if he could do a fundamental analysis for us and give his thoughts. But in terms of what is likely to happen next, I think Google Cloud Next, which is happening in April, is an opportunity for Google to address these, or Alphabet to address these concerns and showcase its resilience in the evolving tech landscape. And if they succeed to do that, and they could then engineer a turnaround in the stock price. So overall, in summary, I would say that while Google has faced setbacks, it remains a major player in the tech industry. Whether the company can regain investor confidence and navigate the challenges of the Gen AI world remains to be seen. So let's keep an eye on Google. In this channel, we'll be keeping track of all these companies which are big players in AI and cloud, as well as genomics. And Google also has got its play in genomics. It has got a collaboration with Ginkgo Bioworks, which was in the news, I think, a couple of months ago. So I'm going to bring you more information on Google. Stay tuned. And I apologize for bringing really 3 bad news videos in a sequence, but we just need to be realistic and see what's happening in the market and fine tune our approach. That's the way I look at it. So I'll catch up with you again in the next video. Bye for now.